Do you?
You have never failed me.
Oh, good. Well, I hope I don't
good
fail
work.
you on this one. We are continuing our celebration of our country's 250th birthday on Three Things
We
Live.
really do truly honor and love you.
We introduced the new Star Spangled right side up banister quilt, beautiful home decor, including table runners, a pillow, and something new for the golfers in your life.
I love it. Oh my goodness.
We show you how to make custom luggage tags so you can pack your bags and go see this amazing country that we live in.
Listen, we are getting close to the end of the Three Things season, so now is the time to catch up on everything here on Three Things Live. Or better yet, watch us live on Facebook and YouTube every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain or 3 p.m. Eastern.
What are you waiting for? Click the links below to discover all the fun you've been missing.
Remember that Three Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile
Something to learn.
and something to discover. Let's go!
And don't ever let fear stop you from learning a new skill.